Guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? And happy Sunday to you guys. Yeah, don't mind me, I'm eating meat. So I was making stew for jollof rice before I left home for church. So although the thing is not yet ready, but I'm very hungry now. Let me show you guys. So this was the jollof rice based stew that I was making before I left home for church. So this is it. I want to parboil the rice and add it to it now. So guys, what are you all making for today Sunday? Is it jollof rice, fried rice, rice and stew, or yam and egg? Which one? I don't usually make Sunday meals. I don't. Just that today I don't have any other thing at home apart from swallow. Ignore the noise, guys. Apart from swallow. So though I have stew, but I don't want to eat rice and stew because I don't know why. I don't like rice and stew, just white rice and stew like that. I'm going out to go and buy beans. I'm going to buy beans so that I can make rice and beans. That is the only thing I crave most. Instead of eating white rice and stew, I want beans to be inside. That is me these days. Don't mind my boring Sunday. I'm just trying to keep myself company while making this meal. It is cooked with me Sunday, yeah. Kind of cook with me. Don't mind the noise on the background. So I'm still frying the stew. I just say let me fry the stew more while the rice is over there boiling. I just want to parboil the rice then before I add it. Let me wash the rice now. So guys, in this place the rice is ready, but I just want to add this onion for that flavor because I like the flavor at the end of it. And this is the portion that I ate, but it wasn't all. I ate 2 of these. That is what I ate this evening. Like I ate the one I didn't eat before. Thank you guys so much and bye.